back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a simple table for your college or for your school. The class timetable, how we can create it very simple way. So first of all, you have to open your Word document. Okay. So for that, there are two options. First, here you can type. Here, see, type to search. There you can give word. So here it will come your Word app or normal Word 2010. So here it will come open, so you can open. This is one method. Another one method is you have to click the mouse anywhere on the desktop, and here you will get the option of, see here, new Microsoft Word document. So like this on Word document will be open. So here you can give the name of the document. I am giving timetable. Okay. So after that, double click on that particular word, so it will open the Word page. Now I want to insert my table, right? So here two options are there. In this insert tab, you are having the option of tables. Okay, here like this, how many rows you want and how many columns you want, like this you can make. This is one method. Another one method is here down only, insert table. Here directly you can give how many columns you want and how many rows you want, you can give. Okay, so if I want to give number of, give 6 4, and here then you give 6 and 4 and fix the column width. That means automatically the no according to the letters what I'm keeping inside that one, according to that it will be vary. Like this you can give. Okay, so see 6 and 4 it came. Okay, like this also you can do. So now I am inserting like this. I want like see on to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, I am creating like this, and after this I want. Okay, 4 5 6 7 8, and here it will be like this is much enough, I think. So if we are selected more, you can delete. There are options of deleting also, I will show you that. So now I want the title as timetable. So once you will put this one, select the complete thing. Okay, complete row, and here will come the option merge cells. So see, now these all together it is merged. So the title I want to give it as timetable. Okay, give it as timetable here, and select the particular one. Come here home, and you make in middle. Hmm? And here you are having the options of bold, size changing, everything we'll do later. Okay, first you create this one, and then here I am planning my periods with timings. Okay, so what is my first period? So here you type it as period 1. So otherwise just 1 is also enough. What is the first period? Is timing, I can give it as 9:15 to 10:15. Okay, this is the period 1. And what is period 2? Period 2 will be like 10:45 to 11:45. That's my period 2. And here will come my third period. The third period will be 12:15 12:15 to 1:15. Okay, and now actually after that I am having the lunch break. So this one again, yeah, I don't need, so I am merging. Select this particular column, and then we have to merge. And what I want to write, it is lunch break. Okay, so lunch break. Okay, next will come our my period 4. Period 4 timing is 15 to 3:15. Okay, and here will come my last period, period number 5. The timing is 3:30 to 4:30. Okay, like this I kept. So now this I kept like this, but here somewhere it is coming going somewhere, no. So here if you want to select everything in the middle, select complete table. Complete table, here click on this complete table, it will create, and come here in the layout. mm, and here you are having the options, and here see here, if I am giving this align center, align right, align left, right, that's option there. So I'm giving align center, so everything will come in the left. Okay, so now here you are getting see this one line, it is no going down, so just to give the cell size I will make it a bit big. Okay, so now it will come here. So like this you can arrange your cell size. See, okay, like this it will come. Okay, so next here I want to keep the days. So here come here and type days, and here will come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, now I kept my all my days here. Now what I want now put my timetable over here, is it? So according to your class timetable you have to keep. Okay, so what is your first ever on Monday, first ever it will be, like for example it is English, so you want to give English. Automatically I set as align center, that's why everything is coming as center. So next ever for you it is computer. Okay, then you have your psychology. So psychology. Okay, then it will be your which subject? Content management or general English. Okay, so general English. Hmm? And last year for you psychology and journalism. So journalism, no? So here it will come LIS, journalism. Okay, so automatically only the size it will be vary. Okay, like this you have to fill all the data. You want to type, just I am just placing something. Okay, just to see copy. What you have to do means just to copy the same thing, means just copy here and paste. Okay, this is the option. See here, paste option also. Here, this is the option you have to select. This one, override cells. And here also I am keeping the, see now for me afternoon no class means just to make it as empty. Okay, like this you can make. Okay, so you have to keep your content, all the content of data you have to just keep here. And okay, this is some just a sample I'm keeping. You have to keep your data, content management, and here you are free, and here will come your general English. Sorry, okay, here will come your general English, and this is your Saturday half day, so you have to keep like this. Okay, now what I done, I kept my all the content. See here what happened, here again come here, no? So make it properly arranged. Okay, like this you can set your margins. Okay, this is okay, right? So now what you have to do, these days I want to make some color. So come here home and select the particular thing. Okay, just select here, and here you will get the options. I want to make in like blue color. Okay, come here, see blue color, like that you have to change. And lunch break, here also I want something other color. For example I want light blue, blue like this. So if you want like in not like the text has to be like no in the arranged, then here again you have to come to layout, and here you will get the text direction. See here, text direction you can change like this. Okay, this is an option. Okay, and now if you want to go for some design, some design means click on this, double click on this. So here you will get some design. See, so many designs is there which is perfect matching for you, which one you want, you like, you can keep like this. Okay, like this you can keep. Okay, if you don't want anything normal basic, okay, then no problem, you don't go for this. Just the or previous version you can go. So just no, undo you do. Like this it will come. So the timetable, just I know here also I want to modify something. Come here home, and here again come here. I want in okay, violet color. Hmm? And the timetable you have to make it as bold. And see the letter, if you want to change the letter color, then you have to come here. Okay, like this letter color is changing from here. Hmm? So this format painter here, if you the cell you want to change the color, come here in the format painter, and the theme size, theme color you have to change like this. And normally if you want the letter color changing, the option will be here. Okay, so now this is my table. So I don't want any color. Okay, I know. So if I already I kept a color, so now I am thinking I don't want color. So again click on this and come here, and no color you give. So it will go, it will change. Now it will be, see, now everything will be changing as white. That means your normal color. Okay, this also I don't want black. Okay, then let it be. Here select black. This is the original table what I kept. Now again, see, if you want, I told no, some design means click on this, double click on this, and select one. And you want, you see, this is something interesting you can give. See, if you want to fill all the no like table something, okay, like this you can give, right? So I will show you some of the things. Okay, like this you can create the table. So now you want to give the heading. In this my table you want to give heading means little bit you make it down. Okay, then you give here heading in table 4, or it is coming as header. So okay, close it down. So click on this, you make it down. This, okay, here you have to give timetable 4 BA APCS 2020. Okay, like this heading you can give, and again you can select that, and middle you take, and here also you can change your color. I will keep in some red color. Red color bold. Size also here I can change. I am changing as 18. Like this you can change, and you can make your table. Okay, thank you students for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.